Come stop the cry, it will be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. Sing, 'cause you, my heart, 'cause you be my heart. Yeah, you will always be in my heart. They are now and forevermore. Dapat pala yung kay Nikin lang ginamit ko. 'Cause you be my heart, no matter what they say. Yes, you be my heart, always. They understand the way we feel. They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be my heart, sing, and you'll be my heart from this day on, now and forevermore. I don't know this part, but no, we need each other to have to hold on. They'll see in time. I know when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you've got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know we'll show them together, 'cause be my heart. Come on, you be my heart from this day on, now and forevermore. 'Cause you'll be my heart, no matter what they say. Yes, you'll be my heart, always, always. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is a free concert, sponsored by our gifters tonight. Yeah, you guys should say thank you to all our supporters, the droppers. Because of them, this concert is free, okay? Next time I will let you pay na, okay? There's no free anymore. I'm just kidding. Hi, Miss Jan. Ready ka na screen record? Ah! Oh my gosh, where is the screen record? Alam mo, ano yan? Oh my gosh!
If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be single forever till I met you.
Boss Iggy! Ano, grabe talaga si Boss Iggy. Nag-push talaga. Hala, huy! Oh my... Hala! Wait, nasa ilang tap na tayo? Boss Iggy, oh my gosh ka! Wait, ito na yun.
Did somebody break your heart?
Ayun na!
Looking like an angel, but you're savage, love. When you kiss me,
Yo, grabe ko naman, Boss Iggy.
but I still want that. Your savage love. Your savage love. Your savage love. You
Oh
can
my gosh!
use me, 'cause I still want that. Baby, I hope that this ain't karma, 'cause I get away.
Boss Iggy did not expect that. Oh my gosh.
Lock it down. I usually don't before
Thank you, Boss Iggy. Hello! Ang OA ko na.
in the bomber cab. Every night.
Hello po, salamat po. Grabe. Congrats, guys. Nakuha natin. Talagang pinush si Boss Iggy, no?
Savage love. Did somebody
Sobrang rare lang yung mga ganyang tao na tutulungan ka sa mga ganyang event. Kaya, Boss Iggy, anong gusto mong kanta?
but I still want that. Your savage love.
Request ka na. Thank you!
Your savage love.
Sumakit na yung piski ko kakangiti. Boss Iggy, pahirapan mo ko ngayon na. Go!
Your savage love.
Sharon.
You can use me.
Grabe!
Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage.
Ayan, magbabalo tayong lahat dito, ha? Alright, thank you. Iiyak na yan. Pag ako umiyak, di nyo kaya. Sorry. Uwian na, magbabalot na po tayo ng ulam. Kung minsan ang pangarap habang buhay itong hinahanap, bakit nga ba nakapagtataka pag ito ay nakamtan mo na? Bakit may kulang pa? Mga bituin aking narating, ngunit langit ko pa rin ang iyong piling. Kapag tayong dalawa'y nag-iisa, kahit na ilang laksang bituin, kayang pantayan ating ningning. Balutin mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituing walang ningning, kung kapalit nito'y walang paglaho mong pagtingin. Itago mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Limutin ng mapaglarong kinang ng tagumpay. Sa piling mo ngayon, ako'y bituing walang ningning. Nagkukubli sa liwanag at kislap ng ating pag-ibig. Mga bituin aking narating, ngunit langit ko pa rin ang iyong piling. Kapag tayong dalawa'y nag-iisa, kahit na ilang laksang bituin, di kayang pantayan ating ningning. Balutin mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituing walang ningning, kung kapalit nito walang paglaho mong pagtingin. Itago mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Limutin ng mapaglarong kinang ng tagumpay. Sa piling mo ngayon, ako'y bituing walang ningning. Nagkukubli sa liwanag at kisla ng ating pag-ibig. Oh my God! I feel so blessed today. There's a lot of angels. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Of course, thank you kay Lord kasi may blessings tayo ulit today. Thank you! Grabe. Tapos Iggy, gusto mo pa akong pahirapan? Go! Minsan lang kasi yung ganyan, yung ipaglalaban tayo sa mga event-event. Oo. Ganun pala ang feel na maipaglaban. Ay! Ganun pala yung feeling. Now I know. Kasi hindi ako pinaglaban. Thank you! Pamagat nun, between walang ningning. Banda! Oh my gosh, parang hindi ko na kailangan ng gift na yun. I have natural chubby cheeks.